Happy Friday, everyone. Well, with a stalled out front in the state, we're going to be dealing with rain today through Sunday in Iowa. But it's not going to be raining all the time. I'm going to stress that. So let's go hour by hour and talk about when the best chances of seeing rain are. Starting 8 a.m. this morning, and no rain to be found, completely dry across the state. But this is probably the last time we're going to be saying that, because as early as 2 o'clock this afternoon, the first few showers may start to work in the far northwestern part of the state. So beginning around 2 o'clock, do have to mention a chance of rain in Sioux City, but it is small, and everyone else going to be dry. There's not going to be much wind in the central or western part of the state, but if you're in the eastern part of the state, including the Quad Cities, it's going to be breezy this afternoon with gusts around 20 miles per hour. As far as high temperatures go, warmer to the south, cooler to the north. So for the Quad Cities, topping out in the upper 70s, Waterloo, Sioux City, mid 70s. If you're in Mason City, only reaching the low 70s for highs though. What about dinner plans? 7 o'clock. Do have to mention a chance of rain for Sioux City. Carry the umbrella if you're going out for dinner. Very small chance for a shower in Mason City, but Waterloo, Iowa City, Des Moines, Davenport, dinner plans looking good because this area of rain really struggling to push to the east. Now, finally, by midnight, we'll call it a good chance of rain for Mason City and the rain chance beginning for Waterloo, but notice still completely dry. And the Quad Cities, I don't think it's going to be until very late tonight and early tomorrow morning that the showers are going to work in to the Quad Cities. And notice it is isolated activity. That's a big takeaway for tomorrow. Don't cancel your outdoor plans for tomorrow because we're going to be dealing with isolated showers and storms throughout the day. And so there's a chance of rain throughout the day on Saturday. But notice, even as we go into the afternoon, look at all the gaps showing up. So, yeah, at some point during the day Saturday, you'll probably encounter a shower, maybe a weak thunderstorm. But you might also get lucky and go in between the activity, or it might just be one shower or storm, and then we go back to dry conditions. Let's talk about temperatures on Saturday as well, because it is going to be a little bit cooler. Notice in the Quad Cities, only in the mid 70s, and then low 70s for Waterloo and Sioux City, and maybe topping out only in the mid 60s in Mason City, a little reinforcing shot of cooler air. It's going to be breezy for everyone tomorrow. That's 20 to 25 miles per hour. I tell you, the better chance of rain is actually looking like the evening hours on Saturday, at least for the northern half of the state. This is when I think we have the best chance of seeing storms. Though, really, Saturday and Sunday, there could be a weak storm that pops up just about anywhere. As far as some stronger storms, that's looking like Saturday evening. Now, I'm not worried about damaging wind or damaging hail, but could we see some wind gusts maybe in that 40 to 50 mile per hour range, maybe some pea-sized hail? I'm not going to rule that out for Saturday evening, particularly in the northwestern part of the state, for places like Mason City and Sioux City. Particularly looks like 7 o'clock until about midnight. That's when the best chance of rain is and the best chance of storms. Notice how it's definitely drier across the southern half of the state because this activity is going to be dying as we get later into the night and our temperatures cool. So let's talk about Sunday now. Now, Sunday is probably going to be the wettest day for the Quad Cities. And it's looking a little bit drier as you go to the north and west, though not completely dry. I do want to stress that. This is 10 a.m. That's the activity kind of over in the eastern part of the state. Let's check out the afternoon hours. Notice still more to the east, less over to the west. And guess what? Chance continues into the late afternoon as well. Notice how we start to see some activity filling in to the north and west as well. So it almost looks like maybe some parts of the north central part of the state, if you're in Mason City or Waterloo, looking like the driest conditions on Sunday, but still a chance of rain. Not going to be much wind anywhere in the state on Sunday. And as far as high temperatures go for the Quad Cities, we're looking at highs in the upper 70s, low 70s for Sioux City and Waterloo, and also Mason City.